Just purchased this power washer off of Amazon, so I was going to do an unboxing video for you guys to see what's included in the box. This one is called a Homondox or something like that. It's from Amazon. It got really good reviews, and it has like a coil on it to ravel up the hose to the washer. So it looked pretty good. I figured to give it a try, and I haven't done an unboxing video in a while. But what I'll do too is, if you're interested in this pressure washer, there'll be a link in the description. Click on the link and you'll shoot over to our Amazon store, the Homeowner Repair Amazon store, and you can check out the product, check on the price, and purchase it through our store if you'd like to check it out. So let's get rolling with this. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great stuff coming out. So let's see what is included in this box. Tip it up like this. So here are some instructions. There's a couple bolts in there too, a couple screws. And it's packed in like this. So let's take this out. Here's the reel, the hose on it, and included with it different nozzles. There's a small screwdriver in there even. It's kind of cool. Who does that? It's usually find your own tools, right? And power washing part is down in here. Oh, there goes that. That's all that is in the box. So this is what it looks like. It's green. Has some wheels on it so you can easily wheel it around. Here's your plug for it. And here is the wand that came flying out of the box. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to assemble this. The directions are really bad. They don't really show you how to assemble much. So here's the hose reel, and on the back there are a couple of spots to put screws. They do give you a couple of screws, and they give you the screwdriver as well. So this is going to go right here on the top. There's a couple of provisions for it. So we stand this up like this. Should be able to put the hose reel assembly into place fairly easily. So make sure you can see. Okay, yeah. It's going to line up the bottoms right here with the two provisions on the top. And there's a couple notches right here, so you're going to want to make sure that everything's seated correctly. So I'm going to put this right like this. Push it into place. And flip the machine around. And on the back, put your screws into the screw holes. And that'll assemble it all for you. You're going to be interested to see how this works. It's not a very big pressure washer at all, but it got really good reviews. It said it works well. So I guess I'll be the judge of that, right? All right, so that screw is in. Let's do the other side. I'm just going to put this one in over here. And then I'm going to tighten this. So there it goes. All right, so the hose reel is on the top. There's a bottle on the bottom right here, and that's for soap. So if you want to put some soap in there, you can fill the reservoir, and it'll come out. So on the front, it says to attach the. Let's see if I can prop this up. It says to attach the hose reel water feed right here. So I'm going to zero in. I thought this was kind of funny because it took me a few minutes to figure this out. So you got all like stuff from overseas. So this doesn't attach to the outlet or inlet called blast hole. That's your water feed. So you hook up your garden hose to your blast hole. so you take this from your reel, and this is going to be your gun feed. Press it in. Comes with the collar. So make sure you screw this on like that. Make sure the threads catch the correct way. And then you can take your blast hole sticker off, and there's a little screen in there so nothing clogs up your blast hole. So now that you're done messing around with your blast hole, here's the gun for the pressure washer. So there's an O-ring on it right here. So that is gonna go into the tip, and then you're gonna turn it. So it is notched right there. There's a couple notches. The wand is notched as well. So you're gonna put it in, press it, and then turn it clockwise, and it'll lock into place like that for you. So to hook up the water feed to the base of the wand, right there at the bottom here, there's a provision or an inlet. So the water feed has an O-ring on it as well. So you're gonna push this little trigger in, and you can see that when you press it in, it kind of retracts those clips that hold this into place. It's gonna press it in like this, make sure it's seated, and let go. And that's pretty much it. It's held in place for you. It's that easy. So the pressure washer that I got here is a little cup to hold the wand. Just kind of push down and push that into place. And now you have like a holster. You can put the wand right in it. All right, so I did notice that, like on some of the pictures, it shows the base of the wand and this coupler and the holder, and then this actual part right here and here. So you can kind of separate it that way as well. You have to push in, turn it, and it'll easily come apart. And you can store it like this. So yeah, the instructions are pretty bad with this thing. That's why I kind of wanted to add to this video, not just to have it be an unboxing video, but an assembly video as well, to show you how it all kind of goes together. So they also give you this little needle too with the screws. It was in a screw bag on mine. So you can use that to clean out any clogs in the tip that might be clogged inside the little hole. So if you want to find out more details about this or possibly purchase it, click on the link in my description and shoot on over to our Amazon store. You can purchase it right out of our Amazon store and find out more detailed specifications about it. Thanks for watching, guys.